everyone, my name is Susan, and thank you for joining me on Inspire by Hand and Heart. I hope to share with you a couple of times a week some techniques, both mixed media, that could include canvas, particularly card making, which I love to do. I have several designers and companies that I have a particular fondness for. And just to name a few: Teresa Collins, Gina K Designs, Heidi Swap, and Tim Holtz, Dina Wakely, and I know they're, ZZK Designs. That's Kathy Zilski Designs. They're all very different from each other, and that's what, makes it great. I love variety, and that's what I hope to give to you. But almost everything I do has some type of inspirational message to it, and I think the world needs more of that. And I hope that, if you're having a rough day, you'll say, hey, I'm gonna turn on Inspire by Hand and Heart, and Susan's gonna be in my life for a couple of minutes and hopefully cheer me up. So that's my goal. Today I'm choosing to share with you my personal empowerment subscription box by Teresa Collins. So I got this just I want to say a week ago, and it's only the second box that I've gotten. This is my own personal subscription. This is not something that Teresa is sponsoring me or anything like that. And I want to share with you what comes in the box. It's $39.99, and it's just a lot of fun. And again, it's very inspirational, just like Teresa is. And so anyway, let's get into the box. Okay, so there is a gold tote bag, and it says, be a warrior. Be a warrior. She has a lot of other bags as well that have all different kinds of sayings, and they're not all gold. They're also white and canvas. And I have another one that says, actually, I can. So on days when I'm feeling really good about myself, I use that one. Inside the box, and I'm sorry, I wanted to show you the box, comes all kinds of really good stuff. Teresa has put together a note to friends, and basically what she says is that everything that's in this box we are going to work on and create a project, and the project is going to be something that we can watch on YouTube and follow her about that. So inside this are several products to use, not only with her project, but inside your planner. This happens to be her new 2021 Franklin planner, and I'm using it to help me achieve all my goals this year. So wish me luck. I'm already doing one of my goals, which is to do a video and start a YouTube channel. Okay. Inside are a lot of stickers for your planner. We've got numbers, alphabets, stars, things that say to do, and these are all matte, and who doesn't need alphabet? And then this one these are shiny stickers, and just again, positive quotes, prompts. Here are some really great stickers. They're pink, black, and white, and they're just beautiful. I love those. And then we also have sheets, let's see, 5 sheets of different stickers. And these are, again, just prompts for your journal. You can use them in your scrapbooking. You can use them on your home calendar, whatever works for you. Whatever you do to keep yourself organized in a positive way. And then we also have stamps and rubber stamps. They're not rubber, I'm sorry. They're clear. I think they're called silicone stamps. And these are really great. This one, this beautiful heart, just says love inside. This one says don't go through life, grow through life. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Never, never, never give up. Beautiful flower. And this says be the good. So that's just, you can make cards with that. You can, little notes to your kids in your lunchbox, whatever. Yeah, it's sweet. Nobody's really going to school just yet, but we will be. And also there are a couple of products in here that are of a personal nature. And this is one of them. I got a leopard mask. I don't have a leopard mask. So this is perfect. I love it. Teresa's signature is gold. But she loves leopards, so you see a lot of that as well, like in washi tape and papers and things like that. Another personal item that is cute, it came in this little gold bag, is this. It's a pink scrunchie. Although I don't wear scrunchies, it looks really cute on my wrist. So keep that there. Then we also got this little plastic container, which is going to be great to hold, you know, glitter, sequins, stuff like that. But she put inside a gold heart. Just a reminder that you're loved. Very sweet. Can hang anywhere. In a studio, you can gift it to a friend. It's almost Valentine's Day, so give it as a gift to somebody. So that was really nice. There's also a card that says, be you. And attached to it is this little butterfly. Very sweet. It can go in your hair. Or it can go in your journal. Your journal, but also your planner. And that's probably where mine will go. In addition to, we have these 3 notebooks. And if you were to purchase these in the store, they come 3 to a set. And this one says, bold, powerful, love, enough, strong. Here's our leopard print. And then girl with goals. So that's a lot of fun. And I think that they make great gifts too. Attach a cute little pen to it, writing pen, wrap it in ribbon. Great gift. Then we have these journaling prompts. They're stickers, and again, great for your planner. In addition, these are art prints, and these, on one side, it has the days of the month, or days, sorry, it has the months. On the other side, they say goals. There's one that says, love this. There's another one that says today. And I'm fairly certain we're going to be using this to create a small book, possibly, on that YouTube show that she's putting together. And using the supplies that we have, we'll create a book on our goals for 2021. I don't know for sure that that's what she's doing, but it's also something I could do. If that's not what she's doing, we could do that together, and that would be fun. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you this box because it's very inspirational. Daily reminder when you're working with any of this product that, you know, things can get better. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope to regularly have videos that will brighten your day. And let's get to know each other. So thank you. Have a wonderful day.